Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I'm starting a new project. If you've been around for a while, you know that I am a DIYer. I enjoy taking on household projects, but this is probably my biggest one yet. This weekend we happen to not have a lot going on and I have a goal. This is my dining room. I'll show you guys. You guys have seen my board before. And it's messy right now because I'm cleaning stuff out. I work a lot of the time over here. And then we have this. So I've been this morning like severely cleaning out stuff. If I haven't touched it in 6 months, it's out the door. I'm going to be moving some furniture around. But the big project, the exciting project is two things. So number one, the walls are going to be painted. If you remember, you'll also know that I've talked about, we bought our house, like when we got our house, it was a really great deal. Our house is 100 years old, but it had been completely rewired, completely new plumbing, and completely new gas lines, and new roof. And structurally, it's in really good shape. So, like the bones of the house are great. The only thing it doesn't have that we want is central air and heat. We will add that. You can see my old door right here. Well, we're slowly upgrading things, and the first big project is here. So, time for the walls to get painted. I'm either going to go with a tan or a light gray. I won't decide until I actually get in there and actually get to see the colors in person. I'm not a super planner when it comes to these things. I'm just like, okay, let's go paint the dining room and let's go buy paint. And we'll go from there. I'm just going to brag for a second. With my weight loss, I did go to the doctor this week. And while they said, hey, you have bronchitis and a respiratory infection, he also was like, you've dropped another 9 pounds. And do you see that? Do you know how long it's been since I saw any divots in my neck that weren't rolls? Look at that. Ah! Alright, beyond the point. So, let me show you the worst part of our house. The carpet. I hate our carpet. Now, this carpet was installed in the 80s. Excuse the mess. Like I said, I'm super cleaning right now. Installed in the 80s, and I don't know what color it started out as. Under my buffet, I have an antique buffet table that I showed you. It's green. In here, there was at one time, when we moved in, like the person that we got the house from literally left all of their furniture in it. There was a coffee table that sat on the carpet. When we moved that coffee table, it was the color, the carpet, let me see if it's still there. Yeah, but I don't want to take you in there, it's really bad. The color of my shirt. So there was pink. And it's all one big thing of carpet. So, this is what we did. I kind of got to thinking about it, and I was like, you know, our house is really old, and they didn't have carpet when this house was built. The original part of the house, there are add-ons, like additional bedrooms and bathrooms that have been added on this side. So, this only is going to account for the dining room and the living room. I was like, I bet there's hardwood floors under that carpet. I'm willing to bet that. So I'm going to show you what I found when I got to digging in the carpet. Okay, so we're down on the floor. And you'll see, I'm going to show you like part of the reason it needs to be painted. And you can't see as much of this as I can, but you can just see all these little scratches. And it's really just because the house hasn't been painted, we don't think, since the last owner said it was like 85. So 30 years, 34 years since it's been painted, it's due a paint job. But this is what I found when I started pulling out the carpet. So there's that. Do you see that? Now obviously it's super dirty, but that is gorgeous floors. And once I clean that, polish it, these floors are going to be stunning. And I actually pulled back a really big section and they look good all the way across. So I'm working on getting stuff out of this room. Once I get everything out of here, I'm going to go meet my husband for dinner and paint buying. And we are going to get all the stuff to do this room. My hope and my goal is that I can complete this entire room in one day. I'll be spackling, filling in some cracks tonight, the quick dry spackle, sanding that, painting before I remove the carpet, then removing the carpet so that I have a natural drop cloth, right? Removing the carpet and then putting the furniture back in that we're going to keep in here. We are moving, like my buffet table, I have a spot for it. I'm going to move it to another part of the house. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. Next is my living room, and my goal for this, I'm trying to have both rooms completely done by Thanksgiving Day. 2 reasons. Number 1, I do have my family at my home for Thanksgiving Day. But number 2, on Friday, we put up our Christmas trees. Because we put up 2. As long as I have these 2 rooms done, I'm getting 2 real Christmas trees. If not, then I need to use the 2 fake Christmas trees that I have. And this year, I really, really want a real Christmas tree. But I don't want to have a real Christmas tree on carpet. So, I will keep you guys updated and show you what tomorrow looks like. I'm excited because I'm feeling a little bit better today, and this is an adventure that I'm so stoked for. Remember 3 things, guys. Number 1, know that you are worth the time that it takes to lose weight. Number 2, your life is worth the effort that it takes. And number 3, know that you are loved. Until next time, guys. Bye!